All right. Looks like ND32 is going to work. Guys, good morning. It is 50 degrees outside. There's not a single cloud in the sky, and it looks beautiful. I am soaking up the sun as much as I can. I just had my coffee, and I have something new to show you guys. It's not that new, but I'm excited. Here, let me show you. I got the DJI Mic Mini, the white one, and it looks so cool. I have it clipped onto the camera because I'm also running an audio test. I have a small rig cage on my camera, and I have the DJI Mic Mini as a shotgun mic at the top, so it keeps it very clean, like you don't see any microphones on me. And the reason I'm testing this out is because I'm going to be shooting a wedding in May using this camera, and I want to make sure that the audio sounds good from, this distance right here. My selfie stick or whatever is extended full, like usually, like this is how I would vlog. So I want to see how the sound sounds from this distance with the DJI Mic Mini hooked up to it. Now I do have the windshield. If you have these microphones, please use the windshield and put them on the outside. Don't try to hide them. I don't recommend trying to hide the microphone on the inside of the shirt or anything like that. You are going to degrade the audio quality. Some people can argue and say, it sounds good or whatever, and yeah, you'll get by it. But if you want the best quality, wear these things right in the middle of your chest, or as close as to the middle as possible. Do not put it up here on your collar. Do not put it up here to the side, because when you turn your head, you're gonna get different sounds and everything like that. So just a little pro tip there. Now, yesterday, if you guys didn't see, I had a silent vlog, and I talked about the different languages that I just started learning about when it comes to vlogging. There's so many different styles, and vlogging, I truly believe, is for everybody. The silent vlog from yesterday, if you guys don't know what a silent vlog is, it's basically a vlog that doesn't have you talking on it. Sometimes it doesn't even have your face on it. It's just kind of like a first person view, and you tell a story through text and visuals, for your vlogs or whatever, your video diaries or whatever it is that you're trying to do. This is recommended for people that don't like to hear themselves talk, don't like to be in front of the camera, or too scared to do that, but want to create videos. You still can, using silent vlogs. Now, the one I did yesterday was kind of still like vlog style, where I'm holding it with a selfie stick. I'm filming my face. I'm walking around. I did some B-roll shots, walking with Stella and all that good stuff. I try to add a song that was hopefully catchy and set the pace of the vlog. So, hopefully that kept you guys engaged. Now, I do feel like with silent vlogs, though, you do need to put a little bit more sauce into the story images, because you don't have talking head, and talking, it really helps the audience get engaged. And if I was going to do silent vlogs, I think that I would actually use ND filters every single time, just because I feel like I would need to come up with the best image quality that I can and make things look as cinematic as possible, because I don't have you guys engaged through what I'm telling you here now. Right now, honestly, I don't even really need to shoot with the NDs. I could have just shot full auto, and you guys wouldn't have cared. You guys would have still been watching this video, because you're interested in what I'm telling you right now. You're not paying attention too much of the motion blur, how shaky it is, because first of all, I'm not even, if I was panning the camera like this, then that's different. But I'm just sitting here and doing really small movements, so you don't really get to see any of that stuff. I just wanted to put it on because it's a slow vlog and I do enjoy it. So, but it's not necessary. Now, because of those two things, that's the only reason why I would recommend that you maybe throw in a nice creative LUT over your silent vlogs. Maybe start learning a little bit more coloring. You can also improve your audio. Like, I would include audio like your like kind of like ASMR. So show, like, if you're filling up water, make sure you get the camera nice and close so you can get that water sound, because you need to be able to stimulate your audience and catch their attention either through sounds or visuals, because obviously you're not going to do dialogue unless you're doing captions on the bottom. And some people read them, but then when they read them, they get distracted and they don't really look at the visuals. I've kind of played around with both. I know you guys have seen vlogs where I've had captions, and I got a lot of people telling me that they're actually very distracting and that they prefer not to have captions on them. So then I took them off, kind of go back and forth. Sometimes I do like them. I think they add it's more of a stylistic thing, and I really like them. But I can see how it's hard too. I've noticed that when you actually add the generated captions from YouTube, they kind of overlap on my captions that I already have burned into the video. If I want to make this video last, you know, longer, and I want to keep it as neutral as possible so that it's timeless, I think that not having captions is probably the way to go. That's just my own personal opinion. You can do whatever you want. Remember, it's just a creative choice. Today I want to show you another style of vlog, and today's style that I want to show you is going to be the still frames style, or I don't know if that's what I want to call it. It's where it's just all steady shots. There is no movement. There is no selfie stick carrying around like this. But this other style is all just still shots, and I'm going to show you that you can also do that by doing that. So I hope you guys enjoy this style, and that it maybe helped you stir up some ideas. And yeah, let's get going with it.
She got style.